Repair Source offers a user-friendly search experience and access to a wealth of information to help users diagnose, repair, and maintain today's complex vehicles. In this tutorial, we look at how to search for vehicles in Auto Repair Source to locate topics such as maintenance and repair information, parts and labor information, wiring diagrams, and more. Let's begin by searching for a vehicle. From the Auto Repair Source homepage, select the year of the vehicle you wish to research. Next, select the vehicle's make, model, and engine type. The Topics menu on the left displays a list of available repair topics relevant to your search, including maintenance info, technical service bulletins, specifications, and diagrams. You can search within all of the available topics by entering keywords in the search box and clicking the magnifying glass. The results are listed by topic on the right. Or, you can browse for information available within the topics by clicking a heading. Select a subheading to keep refining your search, or click on a document to view it. To print content from Auto Repair Source, click the Print Options drop-down and select to print the text-only version, or when available, select to print the text and images. After making your selection, click the printer icon. Complete the print process using your browser's print dialog box. You can also use Auto Repair Source to look up parts and labor times. Select Parts and Labor from the menu on the left and then select either Parts or Labor. Use the drop-down menus to make your selections. After making your selections, the parts or labor times and associated costs are displayed below. Click the Select New Vehicle button to begin a new vehicle search in Auto Repair Source. You can view your vehicle search history for the current session by clicking Menu and then clicking the Search History link. Also from the menu options, you can click the feedback link to send feedback to Motor about the vehicle you're viewing. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.